Picture this, your apartment transformed into a futuristic sanctuary where every device anticipates your needs, working seamlessly to make life not just easier, but extraordinary. In today's video, we're uncovering Amazon's most cutting-edge smart home gadgets designed to elevate your space and revolutionize how you live. From unbeatable security to mind-blowing convenience, these devices do it all, and we've linked each one for you in the description below. Get ready to experience the future of home living. Let's dive in. Let's start with a sleek Wi-Fi smart lock that fits right over your current deadbolt. It's got features like auto lock, auto unlock, and remote access through the August app. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. It upgrades your security with minimal effort, keeping your door's exterior look intact. Next up, say goodbye to cleaning windows yourself. This automated window cleaning robot uses intelligent path planning and powerful suction to make glass surfaces spotless. With multiple cleaning modes, safety sensors, and washable pads, this gadget is perfect for windows, mirrors, and glass doors. Upgrade your workspace with this modern desk lamp. It's exclusive to Alexa, so you can control brightness and color with just your voice. Whether you're working or winding down, this energy-efficient lamp is perfect for any mood. Imagine a fridge that does more than just keep your food cold. Samsung's Family Hub fridge lets you control smart home devices, stream music, and even plan meals, all from the door. It's packed with features like a beverage center, dual ice maker, and a sleek fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish. Transform your workspace with this high-quality electric standing desk. With smooth height adjustments and aerospace-grade connectors, it's as durable as it is functional. You can switch between your preferred height settings with ease, making it perfect for a healthier work routine. If you're a plant lover, you'll love this smart plant pot. Its LCD touchscreen displays your plant's condition with emoticons and tracks water levels, light, temperature, and more. Compatible with your smart home system, this gadget takes the guesswork out of plant care. Easily upgrade your lighting with this smart light switch that lets you control lights remotely through an app or voice commands. Set schedules, enable away mode, and enjoy hands-free convenience that integrates perfectly with Alexa or Google Assistant. For outdoor security, check out this floodlight cam with 360-degree coverage, HD resolution, and a bright 3000 lumen light. It features AI tracking and weatherproof durability, making it a solid choice for protecting your property. Take cleaning off your to-do list with this robot vacuum and mop combo. With powerful suction, rotating mops, and self-emptying capabilities, it handles messes with ease, giving you up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. This compact smart plug works with Alexa and Google Home for ultimate control. Set schedules, turn appliances on or off remotely, and manage everything from your smartphone, all with a safe, UL certified design. For versatile lighting, try this RGB smart table lamp. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it allows you to change colors, set sleep timers, and create a unique ambiance in any room. This smart scale connects to an app, making it easy to track nutritional data and switch between units. It's USB rechargeable, precise, and sleek, perfect for your kitchen counter. Take your living room to the next level with this coffee table that's anything but ordinary. With a built-in fridge, Bluetooth speakers, LED lighting, and USB charging ports, it's perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Breathe easier with this smart air purifier, equipped with a HEPA filter and voice control. It monitors real-time air quality, adapts to your preferences, and operates quietly, perfect for bedrooms or offices. Control your home's temperature effortlessly with this smart radiator valve. Compatible with voice assistants and smart hubs, it offers energy-efficient scheduling, open window detection, and easy temperature management. For added safety, this smart smoke detector provides real-time alerts to your phone and loud location-specific warnings. It's easy to manage via app, ensuring you stay alerted in case of emergency. Store up to 30 bottles with this smart wine cooler. With beechwood shelves, precise temperature control, and a compact design, it's ideal for any wine enthusiast's home. These smart blackout blinds are great for privacy and energy efficiency. Control them via app or voice commands, and enjoy up to 3 months of use on a single charge. Avoid costly water damage with this smart water monitor that detects leaks and shuts off your water supply automatically. Receive real-time alerts and control everything remotely, providing peace of mind. This ice maker produces fresh ice every 10 minutes and lets you choose between 3 sizes. With app control and energy efficiency, it's a handy addition for hosting and everyday convenience. Perfect for parents, this smart bottle warmer heats milk and baby food to an optimal temperature in minutes. With added features for sterilization and precise temperature control, keep valuable valuables secure with this smart safe featuring biometric access, Bluetooth monitoring, and even a wireless phone charger. With tamper alerts and backup battery power, it's designed for peace of mind. For emergencies, this power station has a massive 10,000 mAh capacity with multiple charging ports and an SOS mode, ideal for camping, travel, or home backup. Experience soothing relief with this smart eye massager designed with built-in heating pads to alleviate eye strain by providing a comfortable, gentle warmth. Featuring oscillating pressure and rhythmic percussion, it enhances relaxation with every use. Its foldable, portable design makes it ideal for home or travel, and with adjustable settings and Bluetooth music connectivity, it's the perfect gift for anyone in need of a refreshing break. Upgrade to a centralized smart home experience with this innovative wall switch. Equipped with touchscreen, voice, and app control, it allows seamless management of lights and temperature. It features a built-in thermostat, real-time weather updates, and compatibility with popular smart home systems. Easy to install and use, it's the ultimate addition for a connected modern home. Bring powerful portable sound to your adventures with this waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It delivers 360 degrees audio and can pair with another speaker for an even bigger sound experience. With easy wireless connectivity, this durable and stylish speaker keeps your music loud and clear wherever life takes you. Enhance your device connectivity with this versatile USB-C hub, equipped with a clear LCD display. It supports 4K HDMI, fast charging, gigabit Ethernet, and additional ports for SD and microSD cards, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for MacBook, iPad, and laptop users. Sleek and compact, this hub maximizes your workspace efficiency. Protect your data with this advanced SSD enclosure designed exclusively for M.2 NVMe drives. Featuring an HD display for real-time SSD health monitoring, it also includes a read-only mode for data protection, power loss protection, and ultra-fast 10 Gbps transfer speed via USB-C. This enclosure ensures secure and efficient data management for laptops and compatible devices. Create stunning designs with this user-friendly 3D printing pen, perfect for all ages. The kit includes 3 PLA filament colors, a stencil book, and a charger. With adjustable temperature and speed controls, it's ideal for intricate projects or quick fills. The pen heats up in minutes and includes safety features like auto sleep, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and artists. Explore music creation in a fun, interactive way with this innovative ring. Simply tap on surfaces or the included play pad to generate sounds, loops, and beats. With Bluetooth connectivity, it integrates easily with music software like GarageBand. Durable and portable, it offers over 10 hours of playtime, inspiring creativity for all skill levels. Elevate your room's atmosphere with this versatile smart ceiling light, featuring RGB backlighting with millions of colors and adjustable brightness from 2700K to 6500K. Control it with Alexa or the Gobi app, and explore customizable modes and music sync features. Perfect for creating ambiance in any setting, it brings a unique and vibrant touch to any space. Keep track of your indoor air quality with this advanced device that monitors PM 2.5, PM 10, CO2, noise levels, temperature, and humidity with real-time updates displayed on a high-resolution touchscreen. It features a customizable alarm clock and connects seamlessly to the Qingping app for remote monitoring and in-depth data analysis. With a replaceable PM sensor and smart Wi-Fi connectivity, it's a reliable tool for maintaining a healthy living environment. Maintain a pristine pool with ease using this solar-powered robotic skimmer. It operates continuously for up to 8 hours on a single charge, efficiently removing leaves, dust, and insects from water surfaces. Equipped with twin motors, it works effectively in both freshwater and saltwater pools. The UV-resistant coating ensures durability, and the fine mesh basket is easy to empty, making pool care simple and convenient. Stay on top of local weather conditions with this advanced monitoring system. It features a wind meter, rain gauge, and precise forecasting, powered by solar energy and connected wirelessly. The device provides real-time updates via an app, integrates with Alexa, and includes alerts and analytics for temperature, humidity, wind, and more. Easy to install and maintain, it offers accurate and timely weather insights at your fingertips. Light up dark spaces with this adaptable night light, featuring motion sensing and a customizable range of colors. Control it hands-free using Google Home or Alexa, and adjust brightness, colors, and schedules through the Bliss Home app. The soft, adaptive lighting with gentle color transitions is ideal for hallways, bedrooms, or any area in need of ambient lighting. Enhance your space with these stylish, minimalist table lamps featuring wireless charging, a USB port, and an AC outlet. Adjust brightness with easy touch control across 3 levels to suit any mood or task. The included LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, while the classic black finish and streamlined design brings sophistication and functionality to bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. With so many smart home gadgets to choose from, upgrading your apartment has never been easier or more exciting. Whether you're looking for convenience, security, or a bit of luxury, these gadgets can transform your space. Don't forget to check the description for links to each product, and be sure to subscribe for more ways to upgrade your home. See you in the next video.